But Jonathan, another reminder of the sobering situation here. We just got another update from officials here in Buffalo. At least 7 more people reportedly dead because of this storm. Jonathan.
NBC's Jesse Kirsch with the terrible news there. Jesse, just outside of Buffalo, thank you for joining us. And joining us now by phone is the mayor of Buffalo, Byron Brown. Mr. Mayor, thanks for being with us. Let's start right there. Just heard a report that additional fatalities in your city. Give us the latest as to how things are in your town.
Yeah, sad report this morning, an additional 7 people that passed away, bringing the death toll in Buffalo now to 27. That is very sad and very sobering news. We are making progress today with our plowing. We have been able to reach all of the stranded motorists and rescue them from vehicles at this point. And we continue to work with our power company, National Grid, in getting them to locations that they need to get to restore power in our city. At one point, we had over 20,000 homes without power. That number is down to under 4,000 now. And to not have power in your home in these kinds of conditions, very uncomfortable. I was one of those people without power, my family and I, and the temperature in our home got to about 40 degrees. There have been some homes without power for about 4 days. So we are working as hard and as fast as we can to support National Grid in getting power restored throughout the entire city.
Yeah, power is so vital during temperatures like this. Mr. Mayor, that seems like good news that you feel like you've reached all the potentially stranded motorists. Can you give us an update on, we know that we reported earlier in the show, a lot of emergency workers, emergency vehicles also stranded in roads or ditches that have become impassable. Give us the latest about the efforts to dig them out, and what help are they now providing to the citizens of Buffalo?
The height of the blizzard conditions were Friday and Saturday. We have no more emergency workers, emergency first responders that are stranded in the city of Buffalo. Today, we will have over 233 pieces of equipment working to clear streets, tow stranded vehicles, and open up the city. Those vehicles will come from city, county, state, National Guard, and New York State Police. So it is a concerted effort to open up the city of Buffalo. We're used to snowy conditions in this city. I don't think anybody does snow removal better than Buffalo in the country, but this is a historic storm, probably worse than anything that this city has seen in over 50 years, and some people are saying worse than anything that this city has seen in history.
Mayor Brown, this is Eddie Glaude. Our prayers are with you and with the folks of Buffalo. I know there's an emergency ban on travel, folk getting out on the roads as you guys engage in the cleanup, but I also know that their folks are worried about food. How do they replenish in the midst of all of this? So what do you say to the citizens of Buffalo as they face this storm and worry about, food and the like for their families?
That's a great question. We're asking people still not to drive today in the city of Buffalo so that supermarkets can open, so that restaurants can open. People that were driving the last couple of days were driving in conditions where supermarkets were closed, where restaurants were closed. So their ability to replenish food, replenish medications because pharmacies were closed, were severely limited anyway. There wasn't access to those things. We need to get the city opened up, and to do that effectively, we need people off the roads. As cars get stuck on the road, it makes it more difficult to reach people who have emergency situations, makes it more difficult to plow residential areas of the city. So we need people to continue to stay patient, stay off the roads today, and as soon as we can, we will lift the driving ban in the city of Buffalo.
extraordinary footage we're seeing now from the height of the storm. Mr. Mayor, we know you've got to get back to work. Thanks for spending a few minutes with us this morning, and good luck to your city. Buffalo Mayor Byron Brown.